Hey, what's going on guys? In this video we are going to see how to swap two numbers using bitwise operator. Here what we are going to do is we are going to get two input number from the user and then we are going to swap it back. Like for example, if the user enter 2414, it's going to swap it like 1424. It's going to swap the order. Here we are going to use the bitwise operator to do that function. Now let's go ahead and see how to do that. First I'm going to introduce integer type of variable. Since we need two input of numbers, we are going to introduce two integer type of variable. Let's call this one a and b, and the next thing is we have to give a prompt to the user to enter the value. So I put a \n and then enter the value of a. Now the user is going to enter the number. To get the input from the user, we have to put a scanf statement. Since this is an integer type of variable, we have to put a %d right here, %d, and then whatever the value the user entering, I'm going to store the first number in a. Okay, now we have to do the same thing for b. Let's copy this one and paste it right here. So we are going to ask the user to enter another number. We are going to call this one b, and this should be stored in b. Okay, that's it for this one. Now we are going to do the swap operation. For this one we are going to use the bitwise operator. Bitwise operator is basically this power sign. Okay, now only two more steps to do the swapping. B is equal to a power b, and then a is equal to again a power b. This simple operation will swap the numbers. Now the next thing is we just have to print out the final value. Printf \n value of a %d. %d is coming from a, and we have to do the same thing for b. I just copy this one and paste it in the bottom. Now we just have to change this one into b, and that's it. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, here it's asking enter the value of a. Let's put 12. Enter the value of b. Let's put 67. Now when I enter, it should swap it. Now it's swapped into 67 12. Now the value of a became 67 and b became 12. So you can do like this for any number, and that's how we do that. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn C or C++ programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too, and don't forget to subscribe. See you next time.